First things first, what?
First things first, elf.
Oh. What do you want to eat? Trix. Kelly's. What?
What is this?
She reading?
No, it's a he. Chippy likes superheroes too.
Oh.
He's reading for one.
Oops.
He's reading for one.
I'm ready. Christmas erasers to take to school. We are going to Avery's soccer tournament. We got up at 5 a.m. and now we're on our way out. Go fight win.
Why do we need... We can't really see you. No. We can't see your face. How can you not? I don't know. We only see your face black. Not tan. You. Oh, we can see you in the picture. Ah! It's saying a little triangle on that screen. Alright, but it says going to my nationals because I'm undefeated.
Sing it, buddy.
I got another best score.
Sing it.
Oh.
Smart.
Because we ate Smarties.
Oh my gosh.
That's why I like Smarties. That's why I like Smarties.
It is freezing cold out here.
Hi.
Jax, you wanna say hi?
Can I see my last?
Hold on, go. Oh, almost. Yay!
Can I see it?
What's that you think?
My hands are cold. Are you sure? Rick. Does that say Rick?
Are you filming? Your video?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You doing a good job?
It just went to 100. Went to 100.
That's how many seconds it's been going on. I think so. Alright, stop it.
How?
Press start.
Mom, what color is this blanket?
Great.
Nope.
It's soft, I think. It's a good blanket.
That's really soft. Yeah. Look how long my fingers are. I have a squishy finger.
Read down, Avery, go, dribble!
Avery!
Avery, hey! Avery, you can go.
Oh.
Run the touch card. It's okay. Drop it down the line, Avery. Drop it down the line. You move like a popsicle out there.
Alright, we're going to the mall.
We're going
Say
to.
hi! Look at our winner!
Superstar.
We got her gloves, Daddy got her hat and some pants.
Did not expect it to be this chilly with the wind chill.
And I got these.
What's that? Oh, and he got her some hot hands, and I gave her my hoodie so that the next game she'll be set.
You put these in the gloves and it feels so
SOL people, I'm not
Yeah. And Jack's got him some gloves and a hat.
I'm not letting you out.
Got a big jacket
This
on.
is my gloves.
No.
No, right here. Green. I don't have a hat.
This is for Vlogmas. Did you know I was doing
I don't have a
Vlogmas?
hat. Yeah, I saw it on my phone. I was like, Vlogmas.
Yep.
I don't
I'm
have a hat.
participating with the rest of the
I
people.
don't have a hat.
You have a hat.
I don't.
Let's see that.
Then where is it?
I don't know. You're hiding it somewhere. Avery knows where it is.
Go on. You're lucky today. Go on.
Where are we eating?
Hibachi!
Haven't decided just yet.
Hibachi!
Might as well. Yep. Nope. It's the adventure of it all. Yay! Oh, we should have went out. I'll take you back.
But oh no, we want to go off the escalator.
I think out is that way.
Oh yeah.
Is it that way?
World Cup jerseys.
Nice. A World Cup jersey? Huh?
I like this one.
What is it? You wanna go look at this tree?
Pictures.
Look down on it.
This must be why they say Galleria has the biggest one. This one's not as big.
I like
Here, come look. Look, Jaxie. Look. Oh. Look at that Santa. Look, there's Santa. He's here.
I like the taking picture.
Isn't that cool?
I'm gonna ask him if he's real Santa.
You're gonna ask him if he's real?
He's gonna find it out. I've seen many Santas.
Look how cute. What? No. Yankee candle.
Do not break these.
Ooh, lemon lavender. What'd you pick up?
We got a pink Santa.
Oh, pink scent.
This is actually really good.
Is it good?
It's not.
Okay. Mmm. It kind of reminds me of a candy. Jax, come here. What?
Candy. Movie Night Cocoa. I don't really like this one.
No. I like that one. You want to sniff it?
It's pretty good.
What is it? What? Yeah, the little warmers, plug-ins.
I like this.
I know, they're all gone. Lots of people like him.
I want
See?
one of those. I never
Yuck.
had one of those, Mom. I don't like this. I never had one of those.
Oh no.
Cherries on snow.
Cherries on snow.
Okay, we're out of this store.
Are you getting it?
We're out of this store.
This thing is cute. Yeah, they do a box lunch.
Yeah, the locks would not shut.
So an 8 out of 10 looks nice, but the toilet paper's thin.
But the toilet paper is thin and it doesn't lock.
Oh my goodness. Oh, someone messed up all the sinks though. Go to a different sink. Okay. Still an 8. Down to a 7
Yeah.
because it's dirty. Come on.
Texas. He's an animatronic.
Oh yeah, that's an animatronic called Big Old Texas. That's weird. How'd you know that?
Last year.
Last year they taught you? Did you do it?
Where's the animatronic?
It's not. It's up there on the painting.
It's a painting.
Jax. Jax. It's a painting.
It's a painting above.
Jax, over here.
Jax. Above. Right there. That
Yeah.
cowboy. We're at like that big Texas party thing.
Yeah.
That's where the only time he's out.
You did it! Really? The Big Texas Party. What's that?
It's like I know it's in like Houston.
Oh. He only comes out once a year?
Yeah.
Oh.
Which that was like in August.
Oh. That's different. Look up. An armadillo.
Champions lunch.
You think it's good?
Yes. Nice. He touched you.
Yummy?
Feels like an escalator. This escalator terrifies
going, Abe? Are you having fun? No?
I don't like this. Me either.
Woohoo!
The faces on the walls here remind me of it.
Do
If
they?
I was in my room, I would have been smacking it.
I don't like it.
Why?
Me either, Jax. I don't like it either. I'm getting motion sick. And I just wanted to watch the World Cup.
Come here. Stop this right now.
Oh, he'll stop soon.
Look at me.
He won't go very long.
I love doing it.
I know. She's look, Jax. Look, she took her hands off. This is making me dizzy.
Okay, Mom.
From the machine. Amy, smile.
Hi.
Smile. Smile. Jax, smile.
I like to hold on to the horse's mane. Just be like,
See, now it's done. Stay there though.
gonna find
What? Oh, the nutcracker. Shoot.
It's the house.
Oh, the house. Yes. That's showing the different patios you could have. That was cool.
I want to go
It's
see
like
the train.
it's like a
Huh? It's probably a place for a kid. Look, it shows you on that. Hey,
Bye.
what?
Bye.
Bye? What do we say?
Choo-choo.
Choo choo!
No, I meant to Dad. Bye.
Oh, we say tell him bye.
Bye.
He was too big. Bye! We're gonna be leaving any day now. Any day. You gonna win your next game? Yeah! Say go who?
Me.
Lady Phoenix. And no
Let's do
seat.
this.
Yeah! So you can look outside it.
I got 2 windows.
I know you got like 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I just got 2.
But no,
Actually,
it leads to the same place.
Yeah, we're coming back here.
I want to make a building.
Yeah, I want them to go all the way around the mall.
Mommy, how long is it?
I think it's just right here.
No, I mean, how long will it drive?
I'm not sure.
Oh, he didn't even say bye, that twerp.
Woohoo!
He doesn't even care.
No.
Either way, he's just staring at me. Like, bro.
Avery, smile. Bubba, what do you think? You gotta wave hi.
On aboard a choo-choo train.
All aboard choo-choo train. Choo-choo. Look, there he is. Look. Ah!
How did you do that?
Look, watch it. Look, he's running. He's gonna surprise you again.
It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
How's he doing it?
Is he somewhere else?
Yeah, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's a stalker.
Oh,
How do you teleport?
He's such a stalker. Not stalker. Usually Taurus would be the one to stalk. But no! Leo was doing it. Wow.
I've never. He's right next to the shoe store.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh.
What are we doing?
We're going in a circle.
I'm getting dizzy.
Uh-huh. You're getting dizzy?
He's right next to the shoe shop.
Is he?
Yeah. Anyway.
Here we go. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
Where is he?
Hey, stalker.
Ah!
What? I stopped you. I'm so pissed. I'm gonna just watch him drive away. Never mind. I know he's gonna come out and be like, I'm gonna be like, that's a stalker.
I know.
I just saw it.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where is he? Ah!
Stalker.
Is he moving again?
No. Dad,
Where'd he
I
go?
saw you move.
Oh my gosh, it's him
Stalker! I saw you move. Stalker! I saw you. I'm gonna just go ahead and go sleep.
And wake
I
up
saw him
tomorrow.
move. I see him just staring over me. I saw him move.
You saw him move?
Yeah, he was. Seriously, he's gonna be. He's gonna
Is he
make.
going somewhere else?
We're gonna make a loop, so he's gonna be right there.
You think so?
I think.
Whoa! You're dizzy.
No, I didn't see you. I know you're a stalker, Dad. He's a stalker.
Alright, shh. You gotta stay sitting.
Stalker.
Goodbye. Where's he at? Jaxie's over here. Oh my goodness, how did you get it here?
I went. He
Jax.
just moved. I just saw him. I swear I did. Now he's over there now.
Where is he? Where is he?
Over
Where is he?
there.
Somewhere where?
Over there.
Oh, he went back to the station. We made it back! Yay! High five!
Dang, he's a stalker.
High five! High five!
He's a stalker.
Oh, hi! He's skipping. He's happy. He got to ride 2 rides. Avery's happy too. She got to ride it too. That's cute. Jax is like jamming.
There's a Lego store.
Oh, Lego.
She's having that face already.
Yeah. Yes, them. Alter state. It is neat looking.
Hey, Mommy,
Looks like
Jax.
Jax. Oh, Hollister lives on. Victoria, say that. You guys like the carousel or the train better? Both?
Every page.
Pick one.
Oh.
Both. Okay. I liked them too. I thought they were super fun. Yeah, I was too.
What the? Wait.
Thursday. I don't know why we
Is this
didn't.
sword not alive?
I can tell you why you did. Look how that works. Looks like a comforter.
Why is the red team have been
Go, Lenny Kudak!
Woo! I do. This is all of my money.
Get it, Brian. Why is nobody cheering?
They haven't done anything yet. Get there, girl.
There it is. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Go. Go.
I did a knife for it.
Oh, man.
Oh, that was good, babe.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Go, Avery.
You got it. Go, Avery. Go.
Hit it.
Go, Avery.
Ooh, get it
Get
again.
it again. Talk, girls. Talk, girls.
Oh.
Hey, push it up. Push it up.
You ready, Ave?
Get it, girl. Oh, good try.
That's you, Avery. Get over there.
Good job. Hey, good pressure, Avery. That's your side. White ball. Push it up, Lily. Push it up. Hey, push it up. Let's go. Sammy, get back in the middle. Lenny, get to your side. Back to your side. Stay over there. There you go.
Go, Avery. Press. Go.
Good job.
Stay with her, Ave. Come on, stay with her.
Come on, Lina, get up.
Fight. Hey, fight for it. Come on.
For it.
There it is. Hit it, baby.
Oh,
You gotta get there faster.
Faster. Strike it.
There it is.
Strike it.
Took too long.
Alright, so I got to see a game and a half. For those of you wondering, I had to leave after halfway through the second game because this is the same week that Jax had his field trip. His field trip, they planned like months in advance. So I had requested off for that for over a month. And then Avery's tournament came up just 2 weeks ago. So I didn't know enough time, and with it being the same week, like I was off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because Thursday and Friday are my normal days off, and I didn't think my boss was going to go for me being off that long, because whenever I had to ask for her to make sure I had Wednesday off, she's like, okay, and you're going to be back on Saturday. And I was like, yeah. So I couldn't get all the days off, but me and Jessie drove separate. That way I could still see Avery's game because I know it's important to her. I wanted to be there to see it. But they just called me and told me that they just beat the Booms. So that's exciting. I'll have to put in the clips, like before this clip that he took. But they just beat the Booms, and we have to beat this next team, the Strikers, in order to go to finals. So hopefully we make it to finals. That would be super awesome. But now I'm on my way to work, and I'm gonna be late a little bit, but it'll be alright. So yeah.
Okay? He's all right. Nice job.
Good job.
Run in, run in. Run in.
Stay with it. Yikes.
Run in.
Dadgummit. Jack's get out of the shot.
Nice move.
Hey! Good job, Sammy. Right? Both of them. Just put them all, both on the same side and they'll all go to it.
Keep going.
Well done. Good job, Brock. Yes, good job, Elena. Hit it.
Up and over.
Hey, come on. Let's do it.
Run in, run in.
Pull it back, baby. Come on, stay with it. Oh, she just let her have it.
There you go, Avery. Don't stop.
Send it. There you go. Good job. Go, 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 go. Go. There you go. Good day. There you go. Stay with it. Go. Go. Get Harper. Harper. Good job, Harper.
Good work. Good. That's it. Go, Elena.
Go, Elena, go. Go. Go, Elena, go.
Show me something good, kiddo. Show mama something good.
Okay, but it's funny.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
Oh my.
Boom. Out of it.
Grief.
People think she knows what I'm talking about. It's funny.
It is fun. Good throw.
Go, 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 go!
There's supposed to be 20 minute halves, but
Get down there, Avey. Come on. Get down there, Ave.
Nice. Send it over.
good job.
Go, Sadie. Send it over there.
Good job, Sadie.
Be ready, Avery.
Go.
way. You got it, Avery!
Oh.
Big throw, Harper. Moving it down.
Pay attention.
Go, Harper!
Come on. Get the ball. 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 Come on, baby. Go. Run. Stay with it.
There you go.
You got it right. You got it right.
Nah.
Do it again. Nice.
There you go. Okay. Good job, Avery.
Don't let that ball get past you for.
Why did her coach get that job?
Tony, go.
It's just an easy job for that. It's an easy job for
Good,
that.
Hallie, go, shot.
Isn't that Sadie's ball? That's Sadie's ball.
Come on, Ave. Get down there. Come on.
Turn around. Attack it. Go get it. Coming, Josh.
Come on, baby.
Big kick, Perry. Don't wait. Open up.
Avery, pay attention. Come on, baby.
Go, Hallie, go.
Oh, goodness. There we go. Now she's thinking. Oh, get in there! Oh.
Go, Hallie! Stay with it, Harper! Good job. Back up.
Come on, stay with it, come on.
Right there. Go! Don't let him turn! Harper! Keep her! Win it!
Stay with it, baby, stay with it. That's yours.
Attack the ball! Let it go, Buck!
Avery, sideline, baby. Ooh.
Get up, 4. Get up.
Come on. Stay with it. Come on.
Get back on defense.
Good job. God dang it. Can't focus on two things. Turn and go. Dribble, baby. Good job.
Harper, stay on it. Go, Hallie, go, Hallie.
Good job. Dadgummit, I can't focus.
Hallie, when you turn to go that way, go inside. Go inside.
Get her, Ave. Get her, baby.
Harper.
Good job.
There you go. Good job.
Come on. Let's focus on the game. Come on.
Good, Dad.
Back and forth. Good job, Sadie. Turn and go.
Keep it in.
Get it, baby. Go to it. Avery, the other way, sweetheart. Make sure you go the right way, Avery.
There you go.
Come on.
Chase it, boy, chase it.
I can't freaking stay focused. It's cold.
Take it off, 4. There you go.
Avery, aggression. Get on her. Come on.
There you go.
Stay on it, Avery.
Go kick the ball, strikers.
Gosh, dog it.
Good kick. Good job. Good job. Stay with it. Oh, good job, Avery. Way to...
That's you, Avery. Come on. Good job. Stay with it. Dribble, baby.
There you go. Mark up.
Go, run. Do not stop running. Run. Come on. Go.
Win it. There you go, Avery.
Oh, stay with it. Go. Good job, Sadie. Gosh dang it, I can't focus on two things. I am not my wife. Stay with her, come on. Get it, Davey. Oh, nice try. Good try. Get her. Go. Dribble. Avery, come on. Work for it, work for it, work for it. Oh, God dang it, I can't focus.
Allie, kick the ball! Kick the ball! Kick the ball!
Come on, Bray! Oh.
There you go. Go, Allie! Go, Allie! Good try, Allie. Good job.
Avery down the sideline. Come on, baby. Turn and go. Find that touch.
Good idea. Mark up. Mark up. Mark up.
That's her. You gotta let her. You can't let her get that stuff, Abe. Good job, Sadie. Hey, Avery. Her. Good. There you go.
Back up, back up. Sammy, turn.
Let it go. Go, Ave.
Win it. Go round it, go round it. Okay, Sammy. Go round it here.
Come on.
Shoot it.
Ah.
Sammy. There you go. Win it, Josh. Win it. Shoot it.
Ah.
Drew on the post! Drew!
Let it go, let it go.
Avery, in front. Come on. Go. Go, go, go.
Oh, good snap. That's yours, Allie. Yep.
Come on. Get in front of her, though.
Woohoo! You won! Good job. Huh? High five.